Namo Buddhaya. Dear meritorious young people, today I have come here to tell you a nice message, a wonderful message to yourself. It is about a Dhamma program conducted in English, Wisdom for Youth, based on the teachings of Supreme Buddha. With the blessings of most venerable teacher of mine, Kiribati Nyanananda Theru, this program is organized at the Mahameunawa Buddhist Monastery in Polgahawela. The aim of this program is to help the young ones to solve their problems in day-to-day life and to help them to find a solution to their troubles and struggles in their life, and to teach them about the teachings of Supreme Buddha. In this program, we have 3 sessions. The first one is a Dhamma discourse to teach all of you the great teachings of Supreme Buddha. The second one is a meditation to heal and calm your mind, which is struggling. The third one is a Dhamma discussion to discuss and find answers to the problems of today's youth. This program is held on 3rd Sunday of every month from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. I am happy to invite all the young people for the very first session of this Dhamma program on Sunday, March 22nd from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Dear meritorious children, this morning could be the turning point of your life, and that morning may be the most wonderful and meaningful morning you have ever experienced. We are happy to invite you, the young people, to participate this program, which is discussing your problems, which is discussing your troubles, which helps you to develop your life according to the teachings of Supreme Buddha. May all you be well and happy. Namo Buddhaya.